nice to see you walk out when we suffer.
Stop, I don't want to talk about it. Alright. Okay, when you get your test, put your name on it right away. We'll go through the directions here in a minute. If you can't see the board, scoot closer.
Do you want to check my degree? Or do you want to check my degree?
Yeah, I'll walk around the room and actually check every single calculator, so.
Degree.
If you borrow a calculator from me, fine, Danny. Don't be thrown off. I will walk around and check everybody's calculator one at a time, so don't be thrown off by that. I just want to make sure that everyone has a chance to get the directions at the same time. Okay. All right. I think everyone's. Nope.
2-1 on that.
All right. Everyone's got one. All right. Perfect. Let's go through the directions. Calculators out. Hey, no talking. All right. Real quick here. Number one. Now I'm going to have it up on the board here just so you can see this. All right. Number one, you're converting all these angles into radians. These you need to leave perfect fractions. Okay, don't write them as decimals. Remember that conversion is going to be pi over 180. That's your conversion. Convert it back to radians. So keep that in mind. Just take a seat, guys. Nope.
Oh, you mean it?
I would say go do that.
Right? Your lunch.
We'll just have you take that. Alright. Okay, so pi over 180, convert, leave them in fractions, simplify those forms. These you have to convert to degrees. Remember it's it's 180 over pi for these. These you can write as decimals, so it's 180 over pi. The next ones, you have to write 2 coterminals per problem. 2 coterminals, so you can either add or subtract to get to the 2. I don't really care, but make sure you have 2 per problem. Okay, hey, shh. On the next one, 7, 8, the formula is written on your test. It's printed there for both of those problems. Make sure that you're using the radius and the angle has to be in radians. So keep that in mind, so you might have to convert. The next one, now I know this is really small for problem, what is that, problem number 9. For those in particular, the first one is negative 5 over 13, if you can't see that. The second one is negative 12 over 13. Okay, what you need to do on that problem.
Is it negative 12?
Negative 12 over 13, that's the second one. Okay, on these you need to find all the trig functions. All of them, all 6 of them. Now, 2 are provided to you, that's your hint. You need to find all the rest of them. You need to draw the triangle that's in the 3rd quadrant, as you can tell. Okay? 10 and 11, those are the ones where you're doing co-functions. I have the co-functions written on the board, all the pairings. This is the only problem you use the co-functions on, these pairings. Okay? Now, the hint on those, on number 10 and 11, you are not taking those in your calculator. Okay? Like to get a decimal, you're not doing that. Now, the only thing you'd probably need a calculator for is maybe to convert the angle so that you can actually see what the angle is in degrees. I give you a little hint on that one. Use the complementary angle, but that's what I want. You have to use your co-function. Hopefully you've been paying attention. 12 and 13, these are the ones you have to type in your calculator. I will walk around here in a minute to check your calculator, so don't start these problems yet, because I do want to check your calculator just to make sure that's in the right mode. But make sure you're going a couple decimal places, but if you want, you can actually go to the nearest degree. I'm fine with that.
How about 9 decimals?
That's what it says. Okay? 14 and 15. Is there a question?
How many decimals?
You can go 2 max. It says nearest degree if you want to. Okay? 14 and 15. Find the object that I'm looking for on the picture. I think it's labeled clearly. It's also in the story problem. Okay? Make sure you're using your calculator on those. Those could be decimals. So be careful of those. I think I want 2 decimal places. Next page. These. You have to give me the exact trig function values for all the trig functions. Remember, you have to draw. They give you enough clues to figure out what quadrant you're in. But you have to draw your triangle and give me all the trig functions. Okay? I think they're clearly easy to figure out there. 18 and 19, I want the exact answers for each of those. Those are the ones you have to have the angle. You have to get its reference angle to have to convert those a little bit to get what your angle is. And then you have to draw that triangle in the whatever quadrant you're going to be in. It's going to be one of the 2 special triangles, and hopefully you know those. Okay, they should be on your property sheet. 20 and 21, you have to draw the wave functions.
Oh.
Okay, the big thing I'm looking for, are you labeling everything? Are you labeling the amplitude, the period markers? Are you drawing it the right way? Are you shifting it up and down? So be careful on that one. 20, it's a shift up and down, it's not a right and left, so keep that in mind. But they should be straightforward. These are problems you should recognize, you should know how to do. We've done enough examples of them in class, so hopefully you are well aware of it. Now, I'm not expecting people to get done today. It's totally fine. Weather permitting, we'll continue tomorrow. If all fails, we'll continue whatever day we get back. Definitely watch videos tonight. If you still have review questions on how to do that, because I posted those videos last couple days, so make sure you're doing that. But take your time. I'm going to walk around your peppers here in seconds. Okay? The rest of the time is yours. I will warn you the last 10 minutes, last 5 minutes, you should not be talking.
Wait, what are you checking on our calculators?
Is it in the right mode? And I know that a lot of you can just look at it in 1 second and tell, like this one is not.
Casio, you think?
I had the Casio in the wrong mode.
Did I?
Yes, you did.
You did.
Dangerous.
In your own speech, you said it won't give you the wrong answers. I knew what you said.
What? Negative, positive? No, it doesn't matter.
Shut up, Reese.